Vanofamba nenjere Dzemweya, Jesu ndiye Mambo. Vanofamba nenjere Dzemweya, Jesu ndiye Mambo. Vanofamba nenjere Dzemweya, Jesu ndiye Mambo. Vatoshinga kusangana nezuva, zuva rinoyera. Vatoshinga kusangana nezuva, zuva rinoyera. Matoshinga kusangana nezuva, zuva rinoyera. Let me just say something to inspire you, my fellow brethren out there. God is with you. God is looking after you. God is taking care of everything. This is what God says. If you remain in me, I will also be in you. If you continue walking in my way, I will always walk with you. And remember, if at any point you depart from my way, and remember to come back to my way, I shall forgive you, and I shall be with you, and I shall restore you, for you shall be mine. This is God's promise. Doesn't matter. Remember to come back. Humans, God knew. People, God knew. We will always be distracted. We will always be diverted. We will always be taken off course by a lot of things that happen in life. But if we remember, if we notice that we've departed from His way and come back to God, He shall remember you, and He shall forgive you, and He shall be with you, and He shall be your God, as He always has been your God. And whatever you would have lost will be restored. And this is the word of the Lord. Hallelujah.